Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible, and we're headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. For an old conductor like me, there's no better place to ride the rails than the Magic Kingdom. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. We've made a complete trip around the Magic Kingdom. Thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Join us again real soon.